So today we're making classy chicken. If using fresh asparagus in this recipe, I highly recommend that you take a moment and cut a small T in the bottom of each stalk of asparagus. Microwave these for about 4 minutes or until tender. The vegetables will continue cooking in the casserole. So now we'll go back and cut our chicken. Pat the chicken dry, and then in a medium fry pan, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Saute the chicken until opaque, about 6 minutes, adding salt and pepper to taste, and then drain. To make our sauce for our classy chicken, let's start with 1 tin of chicken soup, a half a cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Mix this well, and then we'll pour this over the chicken. Top with grated cheese, and then we will bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. Enjoy.